Hey everyone, Awesomer Kids here, and today we'll be playing with an electronic sink unit by Casdon. It's our very own mini dishwasher and fridge. I can't wait to check this out. So I went ahead and took everything out of the box. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. There's nothing in the dishwasher, but I think everything we need is inside this fridge, so let me quickly set everything up. Perfect! If we look at the top of our set, we have our sink and a few dishes. And if we look inside the dishwasher, we got quite a few dishes to do. And our fridge is fully stocked. Wow, is that a full turkey? Awesome! Okay, back to the sink. We can press this button to turn the water on. Obviously, we don't get actual water coming out, but we do get sound. Pressing this button on the left drawer will turn on the garbage disposal. And if you want to start washing your dirty dishes, all you have to do is open the dishwasher and close it to start the cleaning. Woo! That was nice and easy. Our dishes are clean, and now let's grab a plate from the dishwasher. I'm also gonna need a spoon and a fork, so let's check this right drawer. Nice! Okay, so I know this dish is clean, but let's give it one more rinse just to be safe. Give the spoon and the fork a quick rinse too. Also gonna need a cup, so let me quickly wash this. And it's time to get ready for dinner. Let's open up this fridge. Let's see. Ooh, check these canned goods out. Spaghetti and tomato sauce. I like that. Another thing I've been eyeing since the beginning is this full-size turkey. Guess I'm having my Thanksgiving meal early. Now we need something to drink while we eat, so let's go with a glass of orange juice. Get some of that vitamin C. What else can we eat for dinner? Ooh, a cheese, onion, and tomato lasagna? This looks pretty good. And I think I'll go with one more item here. Yes! Crispy chicken dippers! Can't go wrong with this one. Now let's close the fridge and head to the dinner table. Now this is what I call a full course meal. Start with some of the spaghetti. You know what? Canned spaghetti is pretty delicious. Oh, and I've been waiting for this turkey, so I'll start digging in. Yum! It's tender and juicy. What next? I'll take a bite out of the lasagna. Yes! This is hitting the spot. Oh, I'm starting to get thirsty. I'll drink some of this orange juice. I still got enough room in my belly for these chicken dippers. They are crispy. That's what I'm talking about. I love me some chicken dippers. Ooh, I am full. Can't be lazy though. Gotta do the dishes now. Pour the leftover orange juice down the sink. And I actually couldn't eat all the food. Was a bit ambitious. Gonna throw the leftovers down the garbage disposal. Alright, turn the garbage disposal on. Nice! We cleared up all the leftover food. Now it's time to throw our dirty dishes inside the dishwasher. Here's the spoon, fork, plate, and cup. It's time to get those dishes cleaned. Woo! Now let's have some tea for dessert. Here's the teapot. Let's get some water in there. Alright, our tea is nice and hot now. I like to add a little bit of milk into my tea. And, I wonder if there's anything in this fridge that'll go well with this tea. How about these fish fingers? It might make a nice little snack. I guess we'll find out. Okay, pour some tea into my cup. And take a sip. Moment of truth. Take a bite. Yeah, probably not the best combo. Woo! Now let's clean this up. Drain the tea. Clear my leftover fish sticks. And let's use the dishwasher again. I guess I'll clean all these other dishes one more time too. Let that dry now, and I'll wash my hands. What a fun day in the kitchen! Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon.